name. Amigo! What's his name? Amigo! Amigo. That's his name? Okay, now amigo, how would you like to greet all these nice people? How are you? How are you? Very polite word indeed. But not only that, amigo is very smart as well. He can count from 1 to 10 first in English. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A perfect 10! Good job. Now this time, amigo, can you count in Chinese? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. As well, and he can sing 3 different songs in 3 different languages. Okay, first song is a local children's song called Current Line, which means a guest comes to visit. Okay, ready, amigo? Can you sing in Mandarin? Current line, yan, ba, 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 would like to, would it current, it, God, yeah, God, from Indonesia. It's called Rasa Sayang, which means feelings of love. Okay, this time, amigo, ready? Can you sing Rasa Sayang? Rasa Sayang, Rasa Sayang, di hati nada urkat nada nada. Hey, that was a very jumpy song. Now the last song is in English, so for those of you celebrating your birthday today, this song is for you. Happy birthday!
No way.